So, you've heard the buzz about Expensify. But what exactly is it? Is it a magical money-making machine? A time-traveling device? Or maybe a secret spy tool? Well, it's actually a lot more practical than that. Expensify is a cloud-based expense management software designed to streamline the often tedious process of submitting and approving expense reports. Imagine this: you're on a business trip, racking up receipts for meals, flights, and accommodations. Instead of the traditional paper-pushing nightmare, you simply snap a photo of each receipt with your phone. Expensify's smart scanning technology extracts the key information: date, merchant, amount, and automatically categorizes the expense. But that's not all. Expensify also offers a range of features to simplify the expense management process. Smart Receipts automatically captures and categorizes expense receipts. Mobile app, submit expenses on the go. Corporate cards, integrated corporate cards for seamless expense tracking. Policy enforcement, ensures compliance with company expense policies. Real-time insights, provides real-time visibility into spending trends. Automated approvals, streamlines the approval workflow. So, who benefits from using Expensify? Employees save time and reduce stress with automated expense reporting. Finance teams gain better control over spending and improve financial visibility. Businesses of all sizes simplify expense management and boost productivity. In a nutshell, Expensify is a powerful tool that can revolutionize the way you manage expenses. It's like having a personal finance assistant that works 24/7. So, the next time you're dreading the thought of filling out expense reports, remember Expensify. It's the simple, efficient, and stress-free way to manage your expenses. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.